Tonight, a woman who worked inside the Anoka County's attorney's office is accused of helping run a commercial sex trafficking operation that spanned years and several communities. Thanks for joining us on air and streaming. I'm Morgan Wolf. Former assistant attorney Andrea Sampson was among 4 arrested today on more than 24 charges. Investigators say that apartments tied to her were used for commercial sex and to photograph alleged victims for online ads. Ian Russell digs into the case.
A former assistant attorney in the Anoka County Attorney's Office behind bars tonight, charged for her alleged role in a prostitution ring. Andrea Sampson was arrested Friday, last employed by the Anoka County Attorney's Office in the Family Law and Civil Divisions at the beginning of March. The 35-year-old is now charged with 13 counts of promoting prostitution and 13 counts of receiving profits from it, after law enforcement uncovered that alleged ring operating in Minneapolis, Bloomington, Eden Prairie, St. Louis Park, and surrounding areas. According to court documents, this operation has been under investigation since 2021. Sampson is one of several others named and is listed as owning several properties where prostitution occurred and is operating bank accounts that money was deposited into. Court documents say 57-year-old Frank Reeves allegedly ran that ring, and the girls had to practice on him to see how they'd perform, adding that Sampson and 2 other women all believed they were in a romantic and sexual relationship with him as they continued operating. In total, 13 people are listed as victims. Court documents say women would have pictures taken at 2 properties Sampson owned before being posted on a website advertising them for commercial sex. Victims told investigators they had to leave $100 in an envelope at the locations after each sexual interaction, some saying that they were told that if they broke any rules, they would receive a message from management, and that management was watching. Court documents also allege that cameras were set up at each location so the women involved could be watched. Multiple victims also say Reeves sexually assaulted them. Law enforcement also learned during their investigation that 3 of the 4, including Sampson, were also running assisted living and autism centers, collecting money from those sites as well. Morgan.
Yeah, and I understand this story came down late today, so hopefully we'll get some more information on Monday. Thanks, Ian.